Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. We're heading over to Southeast Asia, to the beautiful country of Malaysia and the island of Borneo, where today on February 22nd, 2026, they experienced in the northwest region a magnitude 7.1 earthquake at a depth of 385 miles, which is a deep earthquake, and it's occurred 30 miles off the northwest coast of the state of Sabah in Malaysia. The epicenter is 6.8 degrees north and 116.3 degrees east. Now, for tectonics and how this earthquake actually occurred and the release of seismic energy at the focus or hypocenter at the depth of 385 miles below the surface of the Earth, this is fascinating because there's no plate boundary that is associated with this earthquake. It is actually an ancient convergent accretionary wedge and a prism and a triangle system between the ancient ocean bed and continental plate of the Eurasian plate and Sunda block and the current landmass that Borneo is located on. And this accretionary wedge or deep water fold thrust belt, which is aligned parallel off the coast of northwest Borneo, is the location and the reason for this large 7.1 magnitude earthquake. So the fold refers to the deformation of the rock layers as they are pushed together through compressional forces, stress builds up, and the energy is released within this thrust belt system, which is multiple thrust faults, which are reverse dipstick faults with angles less than 45 degrees, making them faster and more aggressive when they go through displacement and release the energy. So this earthquake was a consequence of ancient tectonics that occurred between 5 to 23 million years ago, and that energy has been stored since then, and today it was released in the very large 7.1 magnitude earthquake. And it's the largest earthquake in this part of northwest Borneo for the past 75 years. The largest one on record was a 6.0 back in 1951.